Alright, today we're going to turn this little sewing machine into something that's a little bit noisier by cutting the baffle out of here. We'll start going through it, take these rivets out, take the pop off, and I'll get back to you in a bit. Well, I've got the 390 Adventure here with the stock pipe on it. And we'll take the baffle out and see what it sounds like, see if it's any better. So we'll start it up here and we'll see what it sounds like, and yeah. First, so we got two 12mm bolts splatty, one there, and there's another one under there. Before we can get this muffler off, I'll get them off and get back to you. All right, now that we've got the muffler off, I'm going to start drilling out these rivets here, so we take this end cap off. Alright, so once you've got all your rivets out, you cut around the edge here with a Stanley knife, and you work a flat blade screwdriver underneath it. Try and work it out. Just like that. Just like that. And that's off. Now we're going to cut this section off. Cut off here. So what you want to be doing is you want to be cutting past that weld. So you want to be cutting past this weld here. So anything on this side of the weld. Once you cut through the weld, you should be able to pull this little section here out. And that's the bit that we want to get rid of. So now, chuck some pop rivets back in it. Put it back in and pop rivet it. What I got for rivets, I got 4.8 diameter with a 6.4mm grip. I just grabbed aluminium, don't need stainless. So let's pop it on. Last pop rivet in. And we've got a fancy old rivet gun for this now, do I? The old traditional forearm pump one. Alright, so it's all back on now. Let's chuck it back on and see what it sounds like. Alright, got him back on now. Let's see what it sounds like.